I have a great story about a patient of mine. He comes into my office. He's 40 years old and his testosterone is 467. That's his total testosterone. Frankly, total testosterone means nothing. It's your free testosterone that you need to know about. Free testosterone is a testosterone that you have available to use for energy, for muscle growth, for just overall energy and activity during the day. So he comes in and he tells me he's been spending $1,450 a month on testosterone boosters from many different places for the last 3 to 5 months. Now think about this. His testosterone is still 457 or 467. His free testosterone is only 11. The optimal zone for your free testosterone is 30 to 45. So he's spending almost $1,500 a month. He makes $4,000 a month, gross. And he's spending a third of it on testosterone boosters. I asked him, how often do you take a vitamin C booster? How often do you take a vitamin D booster? And he looked at me confused and said, well, never. I just take vitamin C and I take vitamin D. And I said, exactly. How much do you think testosterone is? Testosterone in the big scheme of things is pretty cheap. It's not real expensive at all. And I said, for less than 50 bucks, you can probably get 2 months worth of testosterone. And he looked at me and he said, what? No way. And put him on testosterone, his numbers increased. I saved him about $1,400 a month. And so at the same time, he understood the fact that a lot of these testosterone boosters out there will say you're gonna have great increases. He was on them for 6 months. His testosterone was still below normal. And so I urge you, get on testosterone, not the boosters or the supplements, because the testosterone is bioidentical. It'll work with your body much better than some of these other supplements.